Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel, Wealth Instructor. Today we'll learn one more indicator, which is Indian Fundamental Dashboard. How we can track the fundamentals of any company side by side with the charts with the fundamental dashboard. We'll discuss on that part. That Indian Fundamental Dashboard is prepared by me. I try to capture all the fundamental of the companies and I'll go through each of them and I'll discuss what is the fundamental I have captured. Before you move to our topic, please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet and like if you like my work. Okay, now let's add the Indian Fundamental Dashboard here. If you can see now Indian Fundamental Dashboard is there. If you are analyzing any of the charts of any company, like here it is Siemens Limited. Here in Siemens Limited, if you can see all the fundamental things are here. Most of the things are captured here. Like you can see it here, the market cap is large cap. Then you can see current price, which is still 12.2% from 52-week high. And then stock multiple P is reach 48.6 multiple. What is the EPS? EPS 76.27 in profit. Each individual fundamentals will be discussed one by one. Here the benefit is along with your charts, you can check all the fundamentals in one chat board so that you can get all the details of a company and you can take your own decisions. Just check what are the fundamental I have included in that Indian Fundamental Dashboard. First one is the current price, which will indicate whether it is trading at, here it is showing like trading 12.2% below its 52-week high. Now next one is stock P. It is trading at the multiple of 48.6. So every 1 rupees of earning, you are ready to pay 48.6 rupees. That is the P. That means the market is expecting strong growth for the company. So it is high. You can see it is already mentioned in that Indian Fundamental Dashboard that it is rich. Let's go back to TradingView and you can see it here. It is mentioned rich. Then you will take your own decision whether in this P it is suitable to buy or not. Price to earning ratio, how many rupees you pay per rupees annual profit. Industry average, Indian capital, global engineering, it is 30 to 40. Above 45, it is expensive. As it is coming under BC Capital Goods Index Average, the index average P is around 30 to 40 and it is trading at 46.8, which is very high. This is nothing but one fundamental study how to put this indicator and how you can use it effectively. This is not a buying or selling recommendation. Okay, now let's move to the next one, which is EPS. What is earning per share? I have mentioned there in this Indian Fundamental, this is one of the fundamental I have captured there, earning per share. How much profit the company earned per share in the last 12 months. You can see it here, it earned like 76.27 rupees per share and it is in profit. Next I have captured book value per share. I try to capture the net asset value per share. PB of 8.6 means you are paying 8.6 times what the company actually wants. Let's see more on this part. You can see book value per share. Here it is, PB is 8.6 times. Now you can see the book value. Book value is total assets minus total liabilities. Just understanding on this, PB below 1 is undervalued, above 3 premium and above 5 very expensive. So fundamentally, PB of 8.6 multiple means investors are paying 8.60 rupees for every 1 rupee of net assets Siemens owns. For a manufacturing or engineering company, this is very high. Now next one I have included is a ROCE. If you see it, ROCE, return on capital employed. How efficiently management uses all capital in the business. It's 17.7%, which is strong. So let's check more on this part. ROCE measures profitability relative to both equity and debt capital deployed. Above 15% is strong, above 20% excellent. Okay, now let's move to the next one. What I have included is ROE. ROE is also very much important in analyzing any of the company's fundamentals. ROE is return on equity. Next one what I have captured is OPM, operating margin. Next one I have captured is the net profit margin. Next one I have captured the debt to equity. You can see the virtually zero debt. This company has virtually zero debt. And if you see flip this one, let's see what is debt to equity. D ratio measures financial leverage and risk. Below 0.5 conservative, below 0.1 effectively debt free. So it is a debt free company. The next one is captured as free cash flow. What is the free cash flow this company generates? Next one I have captured is sales growth year on year. Then next one I have captured is current ratio. What is current ratio? This is current asset, current liabilities. So it is above 1.5 is healthy. So it is 2.26 means its current ratio is healthy. Next one I have captured is dividend yield. Then next one captured is 52 week high or low. This is, you can check from there. The next one I have captured is intrinsic value. What is the intrinsic value? Then I have captured is ROA, return on asset. So these all fundamental I have captured it here. So you can use this one. And if you want more things like more fundamental, there are other fundamental dashboard is there. I can discuss in my next video. So if you like this video, then give a like to this video, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my video. Thank you so much.